JT here with New England Auto and Truck, parting out a 2007 Nissan Pathfinder. Stock number N01312, has 134,000 miles on it. As you can see, front end's pretty smashed up right there, at least on the hood. Most of the components under the hood in the engine bay are good to go. Moving down the left side, front fender right there, no good. Left front door, however, 000. Left mirror, A condition. Powered, non-heated. Left rear door right there, 000 as well. And left quarter panel, 000 as well. Quarter glass up there, also in great condition. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, lift gate right there, no good, won't close. Bumper assembly down there, also no good. However, we do have a condition left tail light and an A condition right tail light. Moving up the right side of the vehicle, quarter panel on the back right, also 000. Quarter quarter glass, also looking good. Right rear and right front door both have about a half hour of dent damage in there. Obviously, right front fender, no good as it's not on the vehicle. I do have 4 good wheels. And the knees on the front of the vehicle are both complete with the control arm, spindle, and strut. Moving to the interior of the vehicle here. Pretty clean trim panels on both sides. Got 2 good front seats here. Glove box in great condition. And last but not least, nice roof glass. Like I said, that is a 2007 Nissan Pathfinder, stock number N01312, has 134,000 miles. If you have any questions, give our sales guys a call.